And it is completed. We have the Hyundai Sonata. Guys, and we have the car of the day. This is a 2014 Hyundai Sonata, and this one is featuring all black stitching, perforated leather for the cooling and heating system. This is a factory system that is already existing in the car, and I know it looks like crap, guys, but you have to wait until we complete this installation so you can see how beautiful this interior is gonna look. And remember that you can buy this interior at LeatherTeck.com, upholsterytechnology.com, in different colors, in different combinations. We have piping, we have about 60 different colors and combinations, you name it, guys. And not just for the Hyundai Sonata, we also offer it for virtually any other vehicle. Just make an inquiry or put it in the comments what is it you're looking for, guys. We ship for free to the 48 continental states and also worldwide. You just make an inquiry about that. And let's take a look at the toy. This is the 2014 Hyundai Sonata, and over time, guys, leather, if you don't take good care of it, that's what happened. It cracks. It was slipped to the elements, probably severely into the sun. No leather conditioning whatsoever. Or if they use it, they use the ground product. That's why they shrink so much. Not much damage in the rear, still holding together. But we're gonna make this baby beautiful again. There you have it, guys. And we have EM Upholstery YouTube channel, so you can see how the whole process is gonna be done. So we demystified the installation process over there. It's not that difficult, guys. Don't be afraid if you decide to do this. It's very simple. You can follow us on YouTube, and if you have questions, please put it in the comments. I'll be happy to help you with all your needs. Remember, any color, any car, any combination, we carry almost everything. Visit LeatherTeck.com or emupholsterytechnology.com. We will be happy to assist you with your new beautiful leather interior. Beautiful finish. Nothing compares with what you see this morning early in the video with the way that it looks when it's relaxed out of the box. Now that you have the full trim, it looks completely different. Guys, we make this and many, virtually every car that is being manufactured in any color, any combination, contrast stitch, you name it. We make them all at LeatherTeck.com, EM Upholstery Technology. Make a request in the comments for your particular vehicle. Get rid of cloth, guys. It's stinky, uncomfortable, ugly cloth interiors. Get beautiful, comfortable, luxurious leather seats by LeatherTeck.com. Visit EM Upholstery Technology. Like and subscribe, guys. And we have the whole process of the installation on YouTube. You can go there and see how it was trimmed. So you see that it's not that difficult. We demystify the installation process so you can see that you can do this. And absolutely, you can bring it to us so we can do a professional installation on it. You got options. And that was your 2014 Hyundai Sonata.